Hey, thanks so much for purchasing the Clone Stamp plugin. I hope it is helpful to you. Here is a quick overview of how to use it. And full disclosure, if you want to build this plugin for yourself and get your money back, I do have a tutorial on my channel to do that. I'll add a link to this video here. Okay, so what we're going to do is drag the Clone Stamp tool onto our clip. After that, the first thing we're going to need to do is find the Shape Mask tool built into Final Cut Pro. So go ahead, click and add a shape mask. Now drag this over the top of the object that you would like to remove. So in this case, I would like to remove this boat. We'll go to our tracker settings and we will go ahead and push Analyze. After that, I'm going to unlink the scale and rotation settings here, and there's a weird glitch in Final Cut Pro right now where it's going to go ahead and deshape our mask anyway. So to fix that, you can click on this down arrow in the shape mask settings and disable the scale and rotation. After that, we can scale this back down to the size of the object we have. And the next step is just going to be to take the clone stamp position and drag that up until our object is completely gone. And just like that, we've totally removed that object. Now, I've also added some bonus features which were not shown in my tutorial. The first of which being the opacity slider here, so you can get an exact amount of opacity on your object that you want to remove, which can be handy for just figuring out your placement. You can also tint it, which is helpful for finding out exactly where the mask is taking place. And you can dial in your feather here and anything like that. And lastly, there are some color matching features, which are really nice if you happen to have an object that maybe goes into shadow or something like that. You can raise the shadows or the midtones or highlights however you need to. You can also push them to a certain color if you need to, according to your scene scenario. Lastly, there is the blend mode feature here, which can be helpful for certain situations. You probably won't use it too much, but it was a requested feature, so I went ahead and added it. So hopefully that's helpful to you. It should be noted you can definitely add this to your scene multiple times, and also there is this on-screen controls which is going to affect your clone position setting up here. Feel free to reach out to me with any questions you have. You can do it in this video's comments or on Twitter or Instagram, wherever you need to, and I'll be happy to answer those questions. With that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day.